Alright guys, so for this 4-step nose tutorial, I'm not counting the rough sketch and adding skin color as the step involved in this tutorials, so this should be ready with you. The rough sketch is really simple and you just have to add a skin color. You can add it in the background as well. So the first step really is to add these base colors. I am picking up these really pinky shades to shade this nose today because I just think it just looks really good when you use more pink shades and red tones to shade a nose or any part of the skin. So I am just placing these color really roughly, as you guys can see. So you can just copy what I'm doing. You can just, place the colors exactly where I have placed those on the nose. The second step is to pick up colorless brush. Any colorless brush would work, and just start blending it out. And the reason why I use colorless brush is because it's able to spread out color and create shapes as compared to smudge brush. They don't work the same. And if you don't know the difference between the both, I will link the tutorial down in the description. I would highly recommend you guys watching. The third step is, once you have blended all out, pick up this soft airbrush right here. I hope you guys can see the icon, and go back and pick up all the colors one by one and lightly just place those color over the already shaded nose. Once again, I switched to this soft airbrush, another soft airbrush, because it's more intense as compared to the previous one. So here we are just adding more of the shadows on already shaded nose. We are just retouching it in a way because we blended colors out, so it was looking a little bit flat. So this is going to be the third step, to actually place the colors once again, but this time around really lightly so that it does not look crazy. And the last step is, the fourth step is highlighting the nose, which is really easy. I'm using the same brush and white color to highlight the nose. Just add this highlight wherever you think the highlight should be. You can just copy the exact same drawing if you want to, or you can just do your own and just apply the same technique, the same 4-step technique to your painting as well. And in the end, you can just retouch it if you want. But here you go, here you have a really cute looking nose, which was so easy. So I'm going to be following the same process for this one as well, just so we revise. So the first step is to place all the base colors. So if you have a reference, that's going to be really helpful for you. So I was looking at the reference at the time. If you don't have, you just copy what I'm doing right here. Then you pick up a colorless brush and you blend it all out. Do not pick smudge brush, just pick up a colorless brush and make sure the opacity is really low, because we still want to keep some of the color on the nose, and we are just blending it all out. Blending is easy, just blend the colors out together. The next step is to pick up any airbrush and then retouch the nose once again by placing those colors once again, but this time really light-handed and in a way where you're not really messing the nose up. So yeah, that's what we do in the step number 3. And step number 4 is to actually highlight the nose. Again, depends on the reference you're using, but again, I'm using soft airbrush to add the highlight, and the color I'm using is white color. And that's how you actually shade nose, in just very simple 4 steps. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick mini tutorial. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.